What's the tree so tall? Yoda, why did you make me swing on the ropes like Tarzan? I thought we were learning about the Force. Patience. Patience you must have. That's what you say literally every time we talk. Shut your face hole should be. Now, run into the woods very dramatically. Yes, do flips and stuff. Plot for plot reasons. Learn about the Force. You will now. I don't really think it was that big of a deal to start the training earlier, but hey, you're the Jedi Master, not me. Also, why are you just standing on my feet while I'm doing a handstand? Questions asked. No. What does that even mean? You're just a frog thing. Also, why do you talk like that, Yoda? Why do you talk backwards? No idea. I have.